After slotting the hot mess of LS-era horsepower between the rails of the county, I thought it a great idea to do something about the older-than-ancient brakes. Not even joking, but those Land Rover blokes of the '80s died like real men with their solid discs and drums. If you were rude enough to be on the road and anywhere near them, you really were their crumple zone, bitch. The axle hubs were ripped off to change over to vented and slotted rotors, only to find the spindles had been grinding harder than a cheap influencer's NNN game. So it was off to see the parts man for new spindles, new bearings, and all the seals in between. What a freaking mess. The new calipers, pads, and rotors all went on before screwing it all back together like the dead-set champion spanner swinger I am. No one is going to let me touch them with these grease-stained hands for weeks. Too bad, so sad. Another job done with more to come.